Today we are going to explain the QloApps Occupancy Based Pricing. It is designed to enhance revenue by dynamically adjusting rates based on room occupancy. It is scalable and user-friendly for the hotelier. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webcul.com and explore the number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. I have logged into my panel, and after the installation we have to configure the module. Write down the module name, click on Configure. For using this module we need to update few files. Just click on Update Files. The files has been successfully updated. Now we'll navigate towards the hotel reservation system and click on Manage Hotel. There we have the list of the hotels. This pricing strategy is not applied globally, so we can manage it manually for any of the hotel. After you install this based pricing module, you can have this option occupancy-based pricing, and from here you can choose the pricing method as per your requirement and click on Save. For adding a new hotel, just click on this Add New Hotel. Now we'll navigate towards the catalog and click on Manage Room Types. Then we have the room types which you have created earlier. For creating a new room type, just click on this Add New Room Type as we have already created. So we will click on Edit and navigate to Occupancy-Based Pricing. We have 4 kinds of pricing strategy, that is occupancy-based price adjustment, per guest pricing, price for each occupancy level, and derived pricing. You can manage the occupancy and age of this child and infant as well. For managing the occupancy, navigate towards the occupancy option there, and from here you can change the number of adult, number of children, number of adults, children, and maximum room occupancy. Suppose I am changing maximum adults to 3, click on Save and Stay. Go to Occupancy-Based Pricing and there you can see the number of adults are now 3. And now for changing the age for the infant and child, navigate to Hotel Reservation System and click on General Settings. Click on General Settings from here. Scrolling down, Occupancy Settings option we have. From here you can manage the child age and the infant age as well, and the maximum children allowed in. From here you can manage the age of child and the infant, and as well as the maximum children allowed in a room. After that you can save that. Now navigate towards the Manage Room Type again. Now we'll check the pricing strategy. The first one we have Occupancy-Based Price Adjustment. We have the base price of room type is $1,500 and base occupancy of room type is 2. Children are 2. Now if in case the number of occupant is increasing from the base occupancy in the room type, you can add an additional amount for that, and if the number of adults are decreasing from the base occupancy, you can add a reduction for that extra child price and the extra infant price. You can manage it fixed or percentage from here. Click on Save and Stay. Now we'll preview this on our website. There we're going to increase the number of adults and as well as children. You can see we cannot increase the number of children as it has reached the base occupancy, that is 4 in the room. Just click on Done. The amount has been changed as per the adults and children available. Now again, moving back, we'll check the next pricing strategy, that is per guest pricing. Here we have to add the amount as per the number of adult and the children are available. Write down the pricing for per adult, per child, and per infant. Click on Save. Now we'll preview this on our website. The number of guests right now is 2 as we have applied the amount as per the adults and the children available. So we are going to change it. Suppose I'm decreasing the number of adults by 1 and increasing the number of children by 3. It has reached the maximum limit, so we cannot add more. Just click on Done. The amount has been changed as per the pricing strategy we have applied. Now again, moving back, The next strategy is price for each occupancy level. So here we have to add the amount for 1 adult, 2 adults, and 3 adults separately. Suppose you have added base price of room type is $1,500. Here you have to add the amount as per the availability of the adults. Suppose the number of available adults are 1, so the amount is $1,000. If the number of adults are 2, the amount is $1,600, and if the number of adults is 3, the amount is $2,200 and per child price per infant price. Click on Save. We will going to check this on our website. We will increase the number of adult and the children. Now, let's see the amount has been changed as per the strategy applied at the back end, and if you are increasing or decreasing the adult, the price will change accordingly. Again, moving back the fourth option, that is derived pricing. Then we have to add an amount that if in case the number of adults are increasing from the base occupancy, then how much amount you want to increase, and if the adults are 3. So you can write the amount accordingly. We can't add price for 2 adults as the base pricing for 2 adults is $1,500. You can see price for 1 adult and the price for 3 adults. The price of children and the price of infant, then click on Save and Stay button. We'll preview this on our website. Now we'll change the number of adults, number of children. From here the amount has been changed as per the adults and children are available. Moving back, if you were going to change the occupancy, suppose maximum adults are changed to 4. And if I'll preview one website, I can add 4 members, and if I'm adding more than 4, then it's showing that we cannot add because the occupancy level has been reached. The amount has been changed. Now, if in case you want to add some kind of additional settings to your pricing strategy, you can also do that. Just click on Hotel Reservation System, go to General Settings, choose Advanced Price Rules. From here you can add new rules. There you have to choose the room type. Suppose I am choosing Deluxe. The pricing strategy details will be available by scrolling down because we have added derived pricing for this room type. If in case we are going to change the room type pricing strategy from derived to per guest pricing, then we'll refresh this page and write down the room type again. The occupancy-based pricing strategy has been changed to per guest pricing. That means whatever pricing strategy we're going to choose for the room type, that pricing strategy we're going to reflect here, and we can add the additional settings for that particular pricing strategy and for the particular room type from here. Now, likewise, you can also manage your pricing strategy with our QloApps Occupancy Based Pricing Strategy. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@theratewebcall.com or raise a ticket at webcall.uvdesk.com.